Hi, good morning everyone. This is Dima. Welcome to BFS. Today, I would like to explain about BFS. The previous session explained about BFS. Then I am choosing BFS. The BFS is nothing but web first. The BFS tables of graph produce a spanning tree as a final, the same as DFS. The spanning tree is a graph without nodes. We use Q data structure with maximum size of total number of vertices in the graph to implement BFS graph. The present the BFS are using for the Q data. The previous BFS are using for the stack data. Generally different. The BFS using Q. So now algorithm. The step 1, define a queue of size total number of vertices in the graph. Yes. The first check the number of total vertex in the present graph. That number of vertices is equal to queue of the size. Step 2. Select any vertex as the starting point for traverse. Visit that vertex and insert into the queue. It means you can choose any vertex from the present existing graph. That existing vertex insert into the queue. Then visit all the non-visited adjacent vertices of the vertex which is at front of the queue and insert them into the queue. It means the present choosing starting point vertex that adjacent vertices all are visited and at the same way insert into the queue. Then start. When there is no new vertex to be visited from the vertex which is at front of the queue, then delete the vertex. So no new vertices to be visited, then delete the front of the vertex. Step 5. Repeat step 3 and 4 until queue becomes empty. Up to empty, the third step and fourth step repeated. Then finally, when the queue becomes empty, then produce the final spanning tree by removing unused edges from the graph. Some example, that means the same example I am choosing. At present, I am choosing 7 vertices in the graph. In that, again, I am choosing the first vertex. It means the starting vertex, I am choosing A. So that mark to A and at the same way insert into Q. Step 2. It means after the choosing the first starting point, the check the all adjacent vertices in present selected vertex that all the vertices are inserted into the, that is DBE or DEB. Any node you can insert into the queue. Then after that the A visiting over. So remove the queue. Then choose the next vertex that is at present queue, that is D. So D adjacent vertices are only for the non-visiting vertices, that is E. So uh, sorry, the E is also in, existing vertices, visited vertices. So next move to the pop the D and move to the E. Then E present existing vertices in that C and F non-visited vertex. The B, A and D already visited vertex. So the C and F are inserted into the Q. So then check the next vertex, that is C. So C existing vertices F and G. In that, the G are inserted into the Q and present vertex from the Q are deleted. So that is C are deleted and G to insert. Then present vertex, that is V. So V and check the on existing vertices, that is all are visited. So no existing vertices. Next move to G. The G vertex, in that the no existing vertices, so remove the G. The final result is the BFS spanning. Thank you.